Phrasal verbs starting with to. To look after. To take care of someone or something. She helps to look after her little brother. To turn off. To stop a machine or light from working. Don't forget to turn off the TV. To give up. To stop trying or to quit something. He didn't give up when the math problem was hard. To pick up. To lift something from the ground or collect someone. I need to pick up my books from the floor. To find out. To discover or learn something new. She found out that today is a holiday. To get up. To rise from bed or from sitting. I get up at 7 a.m. every day. To run away. To escape or leave quickly. The cat tried to run away from the dog. To look forward to. To be excited about something that will happen. I look forward to my birthday party. To put on. To wear or dress in something. I put on my shoes before going outside. To take off. To remove something you're wearing or for a plane to leave the ground. He took off his hat when he entered the room. To turn on. To start a machine or light. Please turn on the lights, it's dark. To sit down. To take a seat. The teacher asked us to sit down. To stand up. To rise to your feet. We stood up for the national anthem. To get along. To have a friendly relationship. I get along well with my classmates. To give away. To donate or give something for free. We gave away old toys to charity. To call off. To cancel something. The game was called off due to rain. To bring up. To mention a topic or raise a child. She brought up an interesting question. To go on. To continue. The story goes on after the break. To look up. To search for information or to admire someone. I looked up the word in the dictionary. To fill out. To complete a form or document. Please fill out the permission slip. To take after. To resemble a family member. She takes after her mother in looks. To come back. To return to a place. He'll come back home after school. To hang up. To end a phone call. She hung up the phone after talking to her friend. To run out of. To have no more of something. We ran out of milk, so we need to buy more. To take care of. To look after someone or something. We take care of our pets every day. To break up. To end a relationship or to separate into smaller pieces. To break up your toys after playing. To set up. To arrange or organize something. To set up your tent in the backyard. To take up. To start doing a new activity or hobby. To take up your new hobby. To turn around. To change direction or to improve something. To turn around your chair to see the board. To get over. To recover from something, like an illness or disappointment. To get over your fear of the dark. To wake up. To stop sleeping. To wake up your friend in the morning. To fall down. To drop to the ground. To fall down on your way to school. To catch up. To reach someone or something that is ahead. She ran fast to catch up with her friends. To bring back. To return something. Please bring back the book you borrowed. To turn up. To increase the volume. Can you turn up the music? I can't hear it. To put down. To place something on a surface. To put down your book after finishing the test. To throw away. To discard something as waste. Don't forget to throw away the trash. To make up. To reconcile after an argument. They make up after having a small fight. To get in. To enter a place, like a car or building. She gets in the house after playing outside. To go out. To leave a place, usually to have fun. To go out with your friends. To keep up with. To stay at the same speed or level as someone or something. He runs fast, but I can keep up with him. To move on. To continue to the next thing. To move on from your old toys. To put up with. To tolerate or endure something unpleasant. She had to put up with the noise all night. To work out. To exercise. I work out at the gym every day. To give in. To surrender. She gives in and agrees to play the game. To check out. To look at or investigate something. To check out your favorite book. To hold on. To wait for a moment or to grip something tightly. Hold on to the rope and don't let go. To break in. To enter a place by force. Someone tried to break in, but the alarm went off.